Hi everybody. So I have a friend named Edward and he sends me videos, and there was a guy on YouTube and he did this trick with a pork steak. But I didn't have pork, so I did it with a regular steak. And it's the same concept as a Hasselback potato. You get a couple of skewers and you don't want to cut all the way through. You cut it all the way straight back and forth, and then you flip it over and go at an angle. And you just flip it, and it's supposed to be kind of a chain link, accordion type of a look. And it really did work. It was very interesting. Check this out. Look at that. Really cool. Gives it just such a different look. Let me pan out a little bit. And it was just a little steak, and look at this. Very cool. So I cooked it the way the original guy, and I'll have his link in my description box, the original video. And I just cooked it the way he did and pan-fried it, kind of a teriyaki type of a sweet sauce. That's canola oil in a hot pan. And then I just added a little bit of soy sauce and some brown sugar and a little bit of cornstarch slurry. And right here it's garlic and ginger. You just kind of like spread that out. It added such a nice little flavor. And look at that, you can see the pattern. This really came out good. So I happen to have a zucchini in my refrigerator, and I sliced that up and I cooked it in the same drippings and juices that were left in the pan. And it really came out flavorful. This was such a nice little meal. Look at the pattern. Look at how nice my beef looks. And then I have the zucchini and I have some steamed rice. This was a very nice meal. And the presentation, beautiful. Look at this. So this really came out good. Okay, so this is my little chain-linked accordion steak, zucchini, and steamed rice meal. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.